know I'm young, rich, I'm a real nigga. You don't want it with me, I squeeze triggers. I got a lot of work, yeah, we getting hella cash. We move a lot of perk and throw it in them duffel bags. You know I'm young, rich, I'm a real nigga. You don't want it with me, I squeeze triggers. I got a lot of work, yeah, we getting hella cash. We move a lot of perk and throw it in them duffel bags. I'm from Kingston, but still rep that MIA, where we tote big guns, sure to leave you MIA. Young rich nigga, that's my nickname. And I gets paid, homie, cause I flip cane. No bullshitting, I traps hard. We getting street money, nigga, fuck a black cloud. In the kitchen or the block, that's where you find me at. Young rich, I whip it good, so the fiends keep coming back. No cheap talk, nigga, I can make it happen. Not for Magnolia, but nigga, I can make it clap. And this real spit, nigga, I'm getting hella dough. I'm in the pot all day, tryna whip the blow. You know I'm young, rich, I'm a real nigga. You don't want it with me, I squeeze triggers. I got a lot of work, yeah, we getting hella cash. We move a lot of perk and throw it in them duffel bags. You know I'm young, rich, I'm a real nigga. You don't want it with me, I squeeze triggers. I got a lot of work, yeah, we getting hella cash. We move a lot of perk and throw it in them duffel bags. Brick on the wristwatch just to make it tick-tock. And when it's time for me to smoke, I probably need a Ziploc or that OG, nigga, I'm an OG. 40 for the OZ, for 40 for the whole P, yeah. And you better have your bread right, see, just for the green, I hit you with the red light. A real nigga on the block like head ice. Run up on a nigga with the 40 broad daylight. I've been a hot boy, but now I'm just cooling on him. But if a nigga try me, I pull a toolie on him. Cause I'm bout mine, yeah, you know I'm bout mine. See, I be the son of God, without me you could not shine.